Hi friends, this is Yagnesh Sangrashka. I'm the founder and CFO of 100x VC, an early stage seed fund that invests in startups in India. Here I am bringing a very interesting tutorial series on iSafe Notes. So let's deep dive. This is part one of the series. Before we begin, I wanted to take you through a history of Safe Notes. Sanjay Mehta, our anchor investor and sponsor, started investing in the US abroad entities, startups through Safe Notes. And he found it very useful and thought that this was indeed a very good solution for the Indian startup ecosystem as well. And here we were. 100x VC launched in June 2019. We introduced iSafe for the first time in India. And since then on, we've been funding all our startups in India through iSafe. And there's more to it. Our startups who got funded are also subsequently getting themselves funded through iSafe again. So they are subsequently revising their investment rounds through iSafe. There's enough awareness that we've created around iSafe, and this is one more initiative in that direction. We've done various webinars, seminars, and now hopefully this doesn't remain the fear of the unknown. So, coming to the problem statement. What is iSafe? Why do we need this? So early stage funding, as you guys know, is fraught with issues of valuations and founder delusions. There's never a meeting of expectations, always a mismatch between the founders and the investors for valuation. And this is exactly why iSafe comes in handy. Secondly, there are these long shareholder agreements that you must have heard about that costs a lot, takes a lot of time. Almost 3 to 4 months goes in concluding a transaction with a shareholder agreement. And we know founders' lack of knowledge of complex terms used in the SHA often leave them, very uncertain and do not know what they are entering into. Nothing really suitable or founder friendly really exists in the entire early stage ecosystem right now. And that's why the iSafe and its advantages. iSafe basically stands for India Simple Agreement for Future Equity. And that's what it is. It's that founder friendly solution that India needs. True to its name, iSafe is mostly suited for early stage startups where valuation is difficult to be ascertained. It's a simple 5 page document. There's no need of expensive lawyers, and hence you have costs which are reduced. Time taken to conclude a transaction also can be as soon as 2 to 3 weeks. And then focus can be through the business. Founders can really go around doing their business and not really worry about compliances, complex processes, as iSafes are completely customized to Indian law, so it's legit. Let's understand some more facts about iSafe. So iSafe takes legal shape as CCPS as per company law. CCPS stands for Compulsory Convertible Preference Shares. This is a security approved by company law in India. iSafe is a convertible note, neither equity nor debt, that a startup issues in lieu of the investment from the investor and which compulsorily converts into equity at a future date. So there is no liability of the company to the investor at a future date. The instrument has to compulsorily convert. Instruments, there are many: equity shares, CCPS, but with a fixed valuation, CCDs, compulsory convertible debts, partly convertible debts. And hence, CCPS with an iSafe is actually the most ideal one. CCPS are reflected in the financial statements of the company under shareholder funds, as your accountant will tell you. So, here's the good news. iSafe is open source. We've democratized the entire document. Ready documents are available for you to browse through on our website. Do email me at yagnesh@100x.vc. Your feedback and queries are welcome. And see you again soon with my next video in this series. Lots more to come, folks. Bye. Thank you.